The Lync conferencing feature is very easy to use. We find that everybody is using it now. They can go right into their Outlook, they can schedule a meeting, they can say make it an audio conference through Lync. It puts all the information out there for both internal and external customers. So when everybody gets this, they just click on the link and they're automatically added in. They don't have to have Lync on the outside. So if I could teleconference with my mom and she could pick up the phone and dial the number and she would get right in. So if people on legacy phone systems, Lync is not a requirement to hold a Lync conference call. It works like any other conferencing software you might purchase. So there's another cost that we eliminate. We no longer have to buy an outside vendor to do our audio or video conferencing. We just go ahead and schedule that through Lync. It goes right out, and people find it a lot easier to use. No additional logins required, no additional software to be installed. It's already sitting there. We use video conferencing different from department to department. HR, our human resource department, finds it very important to see someone's face, to see the reaction when they're having conversations with them. Our sales department, they love to use the video conferencing when they get everybody together and they can see each other talking. In our IT world, where I'm less interested in seeing someone's face than I am seeing their desktop or seeing their application or seeing where they're having trouble than I am necessarily to have them see each other. I'm sure our telecommuters would rather we turn that off so they could stay in their pajamas. And with the addition of the voice, we've seen no quality of service issues. We've sort of underutilized our network by design. We make sure our network is available to everybody, and it's got extreme uptime and extreme throughput, so that if ever we need to push large files from end to end, we have that ability. So adding the voice to it was just very minute to the overall bandwidth that we have available going from switch to switch. I think the networking infrastructure is extremely important when you're going to deploy voice over IP. No matter what you choose to deploy, you've got to have a quality network in place in order to get those voice packets there on time. Western Growers, we're primarily an HP shop. We use several of their 5406 ProCurve power over Ethernet. It just makes the job very easy. You can configure them for your voice VLAN, your data VLAN. We utilize one data jack. There's no added expense to put a voice jack on someone's desk anymore. You use the exact same jack to both your voice and your data, and you plug the PC right into that. So with the HP ProCurve systems, we find that it's just very easy to configure. The power over Ethernet allows you to just plug the phones directly in. There's no necessary to add an adapter onto those phones. Everything's handled right there from the switch.